Okay, so normally when I see a candlestick, it is like this. Okay, it is like this. But when I break the same candle, it's the same candlestick on the right side. What I see the seller trades, all the sides on the left side. I see all the buy side trades on the right side. Okay, that is how it is breaking it down. Okay, within that, okay, wherever is the most highest volume, I see it highlighted in a color. Again, this is all configuration in software. I don't have to color code it to do it. The software will do it. Okay, so I'm breaking the entire candle activity down into a sell side and a buy side trade. Okay. So this order flow as a technique is very good for any markets with high volume, high liquidity. Okay, that sort of a thing. It is used mostly in the futures market, any liquid commodities, any fixed income market. We don't have much fixed income trading in India, but it is used in any fixed income market globally where, like the treasuries and etc. is also used. Okay. So any market with good liquidity, good volatility, low volatility, high volatility, it is pretty good to use and decipher this information. Then in FX it is a bit tricky. Directly, if you're looking at not FX futures with FX spot from forex brokers, it is a bit tricky because there are multiple areas where FX gets traded. Commodities, it is good. Crypto, some exchanges which have good volume like Bybit, etc. The feeds are there, Binance, Bybit, etc. In Go Charting, excellent reading of crypto data if you are getting into crypto trading. Okay, it is good. I'll also show you some of the information that is available from this. Okay, if I look at the candlestick data, generally I'm seeing what is the candle. Okay, green, blue candle, red candle, and then probably the volume inside it, right? What this additionally footprint, same candle tells me is more, okay, the volume, the candle type, the candle delta. Delta is what? It is the net of buyers minus sellers at this level. So net means what? Total number of buyers minus total sellers. So in this case, there is 40 million more buyers that happened in this candle than sellers. Okay. It tells you the candle POC. POC is nothing but called as point of control, which essentially means, where most of the buyers and sellers interacted. Okay, I'll just quickly show you on this side. Okay, just a second. And then, of course, it shows the candle volume at different zones. These are called zones or nodes, which you configure based on the instrument, the screen size, etc. I'll show you an example of how to do it for Nifty, Bank Nifty, or even some global markets. Okay. And then, of course, you will see the day delta and the relative change in delta, etc., which is like the cumulative delta, etc. Okay. So each of these zone or a node is called as a node. Okay. Essentially, what it does is, because a candle is consists of, let's say, in Indian market, your tick size is 0.05. So if you have a 1 point candle, it is like 20 ticks, right? So if you do at a tick level, a candle is like probably 3,000, 4,000 ticks, and you cannot really put the data in a single chart that we have in our screens, right? So what it does is we combine those ticks into a certain logical numbers. For here, what I've done is I've combined 200 ticks into one node, one block. Okay, so I've done is 0.05 into 210. So that means what? A 10 point is one block in, for example, Bank Nifty or anything. Okay. Now it is summing up of all the buy and sell within the 10 point range in each block. Okay. And showing you the data within that candle. So every 10 point is one block in this case. Okay. On the right side, market buy, left side, market sell. Most volume with a color indicator like this. Okay. And this is what you see, and and the delta is basically the net of buy minus sell orders at a different level. Okay. Total buy minus total sell. What is the volume? Total buy plus total sell is the volume of that candle. Okay. So all of this data, okay, you don't have to read or calculate or anything. It is available in something called as the bar statistics at the bottom of the bar. Okay, again, this is available in the charting platform itself. So always when you're seeing this chart, you should always try to add the bar statistics below. Okay. In bar statistics, what are the common things I use? I use the total volume, I use the delta of the candle, and I use something called as cumulative delta, which is basically the sum of the delta for that day. So every day the cumulative delta will start at 0 and it will add up for every subsequent candle. So if the cumulative delta here was 145 and in this candle delta was 14.5 or 15, whatever you call it, so the cumulative delta will be 145 plus 15, 159, okay, 160, whatever. Okay, so it will keep on adding up the cumulative delta. So if there are more buyers, the cumulative delta keeps on going up. If there are more sellers, the cumulative delta will start going down. Okay, keep on adding the cumulative delta. Cumulative delta is a fantastic way of actually trying to understand order flow if you're new to order flow, and if this too much of data is very overwhelming for you, it is very difficult to understand, interpret, etc. One of the best ways to start trading and using order flow is cumulative delta. Okay, I have a very good I have a very good video that I created on how to use cumulative delta. If you have time, any time, just refer to that in the future, and you'll just love it. Okay. I'll just show the chart setup after this. Okay, I'll just show the chart setup. Maybe you can take some questions, and then I'll just show the chart setups. Okay.